This is a fantastic deal in Talega. After several price reductions, 84 Via Regalo is now below market value and ready for a buyer. As a rental property, this would lease for at least $5,000 a month, and it's move-in ready. This is a really flexible floor plan. There are 4 bedrooms with 1 ensuite bedroom downstairs. This is the open family room and kitchen area. And from this fantastic kitchen, you walk right outside to a great backyard on the view side of the street with a built-in barbecue and fireplace. All of this located on a great cul-de-sac where the last 2 sales were over $1.3 million. Come grab this great deal this fall. You can contact me, Kelly LeClaire with Pacific Sotheby's, for a showing.